Trustworthy roof replacement in Surrey. We provide professional roof replacement services to clients in Surrey. With a team of highly trained and experienced roofers, they are equipped to handle all types of roofs, from metal and tile to shingle and flat roofing, whether the roof has sustained severe damage or has simply reached the end of its lifespan. We provide a comprehensive replacement service. We ensure a seamless process from the removal of the old roof to the installation of the new one. We are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship in every project and offer a satisfaction guarantee for peace of mind. Professional, comprehensive roofing solutions, wide selection of roofing materials, experienced, skilled roofing team, 24/7 emergency roofing assistance, guaranteed high-quality workmanship.